Whiteboard paint prep. The definitive guide to a perfect stain-free wall. Getting a flawless whiteboard wall doesn't start with the paint. It starts with the prep. Let's break down the essential steps to creating a smooth, durable, stain-free whiteboard surface. Surface perfection. The non-negotiables. First up, surface perfection. Careful sanding is absolutely critical. A properly sanded wall gives you a smooth, writable, and easily erasable surface. And after sanding, dust removal is a must. Dust is the #1 enemy of adhesion and the biggest cause of whiteboard paint failures. Make sure the entire surface is clean and dust-free before moving forward. The base coat mandate. Next, let's talk base coats. For white whiteboard paint, you'll need a true white satin or eggshell waterborne enamel as your foundation. If you're using the clear version of the paint, you have a bit more flexibility because it can go over almost any light-colored base coat. The application advantage: getting it right. While applying whiteboard paint, it's crucial to practice precision and, remain focused on your work. You'll need to apply a single coat of the paint within a 40 to 45 minute time frame. Your perfect whiteboard wall awaits. Follow these steps and you're on your way to a perfect whiteboard wall, one that performs beautifully in your home, classroom, or business. For expert advice or personalized support, call us at 800-936-2159 to speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or just visit us online at remarkablecoding.com.